Welcome to Mike Golden Games and welcome to another Jeep vlog. So yes, my power is still out. So instead of doing a quick, oh my power's not working guys, I'll see you in the next video. We're gonna do a little bit of work. So here's my black Jeep, the older one. It's a 98 Jeep Wrangler. And I still have the wires and everything still running through the Jeep for that horn that I had. The Whelen Horn. It's still, the wires are still in there. So what we're gonna do, basically just try and reverse engineer what we did and pull it out, basically. First thing we need to do is remove the battery. Oh, and yes, that is a power inverter. We're just powering up my fridge right now by using the Jeep. Cool idea, maybe not. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So what we need to do, remove this. I loosened this bolt up a little bit. And let's just pop this out here. That should be good. And actually, we'll tighten that down so it doesn't fall off. Alright, so, and yes, we got the bungee cord holding the hood up just in case. And then the towel to protect the hood's paint because that would definitely leave a mark in the paint. So what I need to do now is move the battery out of the way. So let's get this cord. That should be fine. Let's get that out of the way. And I'm just gonna carefully remove the battery without ripping all the wires. There's that. And let's see, we got all these wires coming through here, so we need to go into the cab now. And I'm probably just gonna snip the little button that I had set up, because I'm thinking I'll just hook up the horn. Whoop, there goes the bungee cord. I'm thinking instead of using the button that I used before, whoop, it's a little vibrating, I'll just hook it straight up to the horn. Since this Jeep, the horn wasn't working, the clock spring in this wasn't working, so the other one does. So we should be able to just hook it straight up to the horn and get that nice loud Whelen police horn. So let's go underneath here and cut the wires. So now we got these two wires right here that are running to the switch. So let's just take this new knife out, which this video hasn't gone up yet, but this is the other Wish unboxing video, and this one seems to be pretty good. My thumbs are a little cut up from using the button for like 2 hours yesterday. But yeah, we just need to cut these two wires right here, which I can't really hold the camera, so yeah, give me a second. All right, so with those two wires cut, we're actually gonna be pulling them through this way because this isn't gonna fit through the hole in the firewall. So let's go over here, and we need to disconnect this wire and this wire from the negative, and then we should be able to pull it straight through. So let's do that really quick. All right, so we got those undone, and let's just see. Start yanking on them. Hopefully they'll come through, no issue. All right, so we're hit a little snag there, so let's get out here and see what's getting stuck. All right, so these are running under here to the horn. So we'll probably just wind up cutting these. That's a fail right there. And that's a fail right there too. All right, so we'll just cut these. It's a little taut. All the wires through except the fuse terminal wire. So we're just gonna need to cut this off and then we should be good to go. So here we go. The wiring harness is out of the Jeep and we should be able to salvage it to put into the new 2004 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. All right guys, I am gonna leave this episode here. I know, again, it was a quick one, but I figured it would be better to do a little more than just say, you know, the power's not working. So, you know, here's the video. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed it. You know, we'll see. It should be, I'm not sure when I'm actually gonna be installing the horn, but I got it ready to go for when I do have the time to do that. If you want to see that horn install, let me know in the comments below. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already, as well as hitting the little bell icon on the channel. That way you stay notified when the videos go up and when we do live streams and when my power comes back on. Also, head to our Discord server if you'd like to come hang out with us. Just chill, relax. All right, guys, take it easy.